Hello there, BoBo the Bitcoiner is back. Why nobody departs from Bitcoin after they get into it? We heard of many original critics of Bitcoin technology in the earlier years. Bitcoin had no intrinsic value. The government will shut down Bitcoin. Bitcoin is too volatile. Bitcoin wastes energy. Bitcoin is used by criminals. Bitcoin can be cloned. Bitcoin is a bubble. Bitcoin fails as a currency. Bitcoin can't scale. Bitcoin get hacked. Bitcoin being pumped by Tether. China control Bitcoin. All kinds of brats are being thrown at Bitcoin, mostly due to lack of understanding. But the most discriminates are the ones from the elites, the powerful, and the authorities who are afraid that their rice bowl is being disrupted and challenged. Most of all, their exclusive right to control money. They are the ones who fear Bitcoin most. But many are now converted and believe in Bitcoin after studying and understanding Bitcoin in depth. These people spend hundreds, if not thousands of hours going into the Bitcoin rabbit hole. And they are not ordinary people, mind you. Okay? For example, people like Michael Saylor, ex-CEO of MicroStrategy, who was originally skeptical about Bitcoin. In 2013, he tweeted that Bitcoin days are numbered and comparing it to gambling. But as years goes by, his perspective changed. He and his team conducted a thorough investigation and an extensive scrutinization on the Bitcoin ecosystem and was not able to find any fault with it. MicroStrategy, run by Michael Saylor, provide business intelligence, mobile software, and cloud-based services to industry and corporation. He himself is an engineer who also studied science and computer technology. He became so convinced on the Bitcoin technology that he not only persuaded his shareholders to adopt Bitcoin as the company's reserve treasury in August 2020, he also became a committed advocate of Bitcoin technology and went on to help other corporations to better understand Bitcoin. Today, MicroStrategy is the biggest holder of Bitcoin and has continued to accumulate Bitcoin from time to time. He and his company believe Bitcoin as a store value, as a digital currency, as a digital gold, and a treasury asset as the price continue to grow. Larry Finch, CEO of BlackRock, the biggest asset manager in the world, was initially skeptical about Bitcoin too. He associated cryptocurrency with money laundering and viewed them as speculative assets. However, over time, his perspective changed significantly. After studying Bitcoin and understanding its potential, Finch acknowledged that his earlier views were wrong. He now sees Bitcoin as a legitimate financial instrument and also refer to it as a digital gold. I'm a major believer that there is a role Bitcoin play in its portfolio. I believe you are going to see that as one of the asset classes that are as essential for diversifying a portfolio and protecting against the economic uncertainty today. Now, BlackRock leads the world in the spot Bitcoin ETF. Paul Tudor Jones, worth $5.3 billion, the seventh highest earning hedge fund manager, was initially cautious about Bitcoin, but became a strong advocate in 2020. He compared investing in the Bitcoin early, like in the tech company. His shift in perspective has driven by concern over the great monetary inflation and the potential of Bitcoin as a store of value. He famously referred to Bitcoin as the fastest horse in the race for profit maximization. If I'm forced to forecast, my best bet is it will be Bitcoin. Tudor believes that everyone will be using some kind of digital currency in the next 20 years. Kevin O'Leary, an investment mogul, is a Canadian entrepreneur, famously known as Shark Tank. In 2019, he called Bitcoin garbage and a useless currency. He was concerned by Bitcoin's massive energy consumption. In 2021, he expressed offense for crypto mined in China, calling Chinese Bitcoin black coin because of human rights concern. Since China banned Bitcoin mining, he was in discussion with miners to make sure he could invest sustainably. All right. Since then, because many Bitcoin miners are looking for sustainable energy sources, and O'Leary argued that the demand for nuclear and hydroelectrical power will spur further innovation and sustainable energy adoption. Kevin O'Leary told CNBC 1/5 of his investments holding are tied up in cryptocurrency and companies operating in the nascent digital asset industry. 20% of my portfolio are now in cryptocurrency and blockchain. There are many more critics who convert today. All right. But have you heard of a single person who believed in Bitcoin earlier, but now don't believe anymore? None, right? Strange, isn't it? This proves how complete and perfect Bitcoin ecosystem is. I dare say this is probably the first of its kind. Even in religion, it's not unusual to drop out of a religion and convert to another religion. But in Bitcoin, once you believe in it, the tendency is the more you understand, the more you want to know. Deeper you went down the Bitcoin rabbit hole. Nobody leaves Bitcoin. There are only new adopters. Isn't it unusual? You don't change your mind once you believe, once you understand Bitcoin, and once you adopt Bitcoin, you get deeper and deeper and deeper into the rabbit hole. This is something unique in this world. Think about it. All right. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.